Tile Prefab Placer is a tool for placing tile objects on a grid, and can also be used for placing default objects with a variety of custom tools. First, you need to configure the tool to work properly. Let's get started. The map initialization window will open automatically, but let's open it manually. First, you need to set the route path of the tool. It is automatically detected. If you want to change the tool route path, you will need to do this step again. Next, click the Create and Init button. Map Creator will be created if it is not on the scene, and the route path will be assigned. Now, let's set the size of the tile. Move the 1-on-1 size of the tile into the field. Press Show Info. As you can see, in our case the size of the tile is 1.9 units. World Offset is used when the map has already been created with an offset. If necessary, you can set a custom tile size. Press Click Set Exist Config. Next, install the necessary packages. Click Load Packages. You can read more about the packages in the documentation. Select the Map Creator tool. Choose a path for tiles and tile sets. The tool is now ready to work. Open Map Preference Config to see all the settings. Here you can change the tile size, world offset, and also various settings of the Map Creator. Open Hotkey Config to customize all hotkeys of the tool. In the General Settings tab you will find additional tool settings. Now you need to create categories for prefabs. Enter a category name and click Add. Drag and drop prefabs into the box to add prefabs to a category. Also, if necessary, enable the option Auto Add Map Tile Component to automatically add the map tile component to the prefab. Map tile component is used for the calculation of intersections on the grid, so if you don't need it you can use default game objects. Created categories can be viewed by selecting a tile path. Let's change the internal category settings. Here you can change the name of the category, and set the path by which the prefabs will be instantiated. Let's move on to the layers. Each map tile object has its own layer. The first 9 are default layers that are used to calculate the grid, and the overlay layer is used for objects that do not need a grid. In the Layer Settings tab you can turn on objects according to the layer. In the following videos I will explain in detail each mode for creating prefabs.